Say thank you, PAW-PAW. And he wants to hit my phone with his hammer. Say hammer. What else? What is this? What is that? What's this? Say my saw. What's this? Say a level. Level. What's this? Wrench. Wrench. What else you got? Woo! You got sockets? Wow. What's this? Pliers? That's a level. What's this? It's your Swiss Army knife. What? You gotta go inside and pull it out. Go ahead, pull them out. What you got in there? What you got in there? Say, this is my utility knife. You got it? What else you got in there? That goes in here. And he got screws. It's for his wrench. That's not broke. Put it in there. He said it's broke. That's a screwdriver. You got screws? Here you go. Put that one in. That's called a flathead. Flat. Say flathead. And this is a Phillips. Because it got 4 of them. What you looking for? Say thank you. Say I love you, Papa. Look at the camera. Carlo, look. Look at it. Say I love you. And say bye-bye.